home is where your heart is, but did you know it's also where your wealth is? Thanks for listening to this month's Financial Friday episode, where we share ideas on becoming more financially sound. According to the 2019 survey of consumer finances, the median homeowner has 40 times the household wealth of a renter. Most of that comes from housing. So despite volatile markets, homeownership remains an effective means of wealth building, especially for lower income households. First, you gain equity. Homeownership serves as a forced saving. Each month when you pay your mortgage payment, the equity in your home grows. And depending on the market and what improvements you make on the property, a home's value will usually increase over time. You're able to hedge against inflation. I recently read an article stating that inflation is at a 40-year high. When you have a 20 or 30-year fixed rate mortgage, you lock in your monthly housing expense, providing a hedge against the inflation. In contrast, housing costs for renters would be expected to keep pace with inflation. And finally, owning a home with a mortgage is good for your credit when you make your monthly payments each month on time. Although it means taking on debt, a mortgage is considered a good debt because it's a tangible asset that has high probability to gain value. Your credit score is affected by payment history, credit mix, and the length of your credit history. Having a mortgage loan diversifies your debt, showing lenders you can handle different types of debt. Even if you don't view yourself as in a position to buy a house, it's a good idea to speak to a mortgage lender and learn your options. While 20% down is typically what people think they need for a home, there are many lending options available that don't require large down payments. There are programs for first-time home buyers, VA, and FHA. In many cases, a mortgage payment costs as much or as little as your rent, except instead of paying a landlord, you're increasing your equity, investing in your future. So owning a home isn't just part of the American dream, it's a gateway to financial stability. If you would like to know more about the path to ownership, give us a call at 307-635-0303.